learners. So in this class, I would like to talk about the silent letters, which comes under the topic pronunciation. Again, okay. So here, see, read the beautiful heading over here. Why don't we spell like we speak? Why don't we spell like we speak? That means we write one spelling, and when you are reading, we are reading it differently. There is no one-to-one correspondence in English, as you know. For example, niece, K-N-E-E-S, niece. N-I-E-C-E is niece. She is my niece. These are my niece. So that is the difference. So that shows we don't read what we write. And another point is here, some letters we should not articulate. We have to swallow the particular sound, the particular letter. Then we call them as silent letters. See here, why don't we spell like what we speak? The spelling is different. The speaking sound is different. So let us see. Now we are going to learn some silent letters. There are some rules. I'll give you some rules later. But now let us pronounce and let's learn certain words. So here, phonetic transcription helps you to pronounce the word correctly and see how the silent letter is dropped. So we are dropping certain letters. For example, father, we don't articulate the sound ra. Father, father, mother, brother, sister, not sister, father, brother. We should not say like that. Okay. So now I would like to show you some silent letters from these words. See, the phonetic transcription will help us to pronounce the particular word correctly. So, if you do not know the phonetic transcription, the symbols you do not know, you cannot learn how to articulate a word correctly. Pronunciation is very difficult without following the phonetic transcription. So now, I'll read and tell you in which sound we are not prominently or nullifying a particular sound. See here, D-W-A-R-F. The transcription is dwarf. Dwarf. You can repeat after me. Dwarf. So here R is silence. We don't say dwarf. And here C-A-S-T-L-E. See, castle. 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 And this is calm. Calm. We're not pronouncing last sound. L we are not using. Calm. D-E-A-F. Deaf. Deaf. We are ignoring A. A is silent here. W-O-U-L-D. Would. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. Not would and should. Friend. Friend. See, I is silent. Friend. See the transcription. By seeing the transcription, this is na, a, la, e, and this is ja. Knowledge. 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 The stress is on first syllable here. Ghastly. Ghastly. See, ghastly. H is silent. And succumb. Succumb. We don't say succumb. That is succumb. The 10th word is D-E-B-T. Generally, we use this word many a time. This is D-E-B-T. B is silent here. Debt. Debt. See the phonetic transcription? Debt. And the word 11th word. This is very, very important. See, even the educated people If they go to the dais and they say, Honorable Chief Guest, honesty, honorable, that is not the right way to say. We have to say honest. See, honest. It's silent. Honest. Like HOUR, our. We don't say hour. Like that. Honest. BOMB, bomb. Be silent. Bomb. CALM. This is calm. Calm. This is repeated. Okay. This is, see, leopard. LEO. We don't say leopard. This is leopard. Leopard. This is not leopard. Leopard. Then checkmate. Checkmate. A. There is a diphthong gliding. May. Checkmate. And this is rhythm. 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 And this is, see, GNARLED. How to pronounce? Nald. See? Nald. 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 AUTUMN. MN. Many people commit mistakes to write these words. Autumn. This is autumn. Autumn. ASCENT. 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 Stress is on second syllable. PURPLE. 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 Not purple. Purple. Okay. So if you want to know some rules regarding this, so you have to learn this. You have to read all the rules for silent letter. What are the rules for the silent letters? So these are the rules for silent letters. One or two I'll explain. The letter D is silent when used after the letter M and before the letter T. After M and before T, for example, lamb, lamb, after the letter M and before the letter T, lamb, womb, tomb, comb. So here B is silent. The letter C is silent before the letter Z, L and K. See, Czechoslovakia. The spelling starts with C. So C is silent before Z. MUSCLE, muzzle. Z is silent. The letter Z, L and K silent before C. Muzzle. Muzzle. Pluck. Block. The letter D is silent when it is used before the letter N and G. Wednesday. Wednesday is very important point. Many will say Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. It is wrong. Wednesday. Okay. And the letter E is silent when it comes at the end of the word. See? Bible. Bible. We don't say Bible. Bible. Mobile. Mobile. Able. Cable. Like that. The letter E is silent if it is before the letter D. See? Cook. Cooked. D is silent. Here. And then chain. Chain. Mail. Mail. We swallow the last sound da. We don't say mailed. Mail. Da is silent there. E is silent. Sorry. E is silent if it comes before the letter D. Okay, like that you read all these words and you can remember certain examples. Remember the examples and pronunciation. Learn correct pronunciation. If you come across any new word, even the Google is helping you to type the word and write as means. Casual means. You will get the phonetic transcription. And it will give sound articulation also. By listening to that, you have to develop your correct pronunciation and you have to learn where to silent the particular letters. Okay, bye for now.